We are back at Table Rock State Park today. Just got finished registering. We're doing the Pinnacle Mountain Trail to Bald Knob. And we might take the 0.4 mile spur trail to go see Mill Creek Falls. But to Bald Knob, it should be an 1,800 foot elevation gain, something like that, and about 3.75 miles one way. We can go this way, keep going on the Table Rock Trail, and it'll meet back up with Carrot Creek. And you have to take Carrot Creek at one point or another to Pinnacle. So we can either go this way or keep going up to take Carrot Creek to Pinnacle.
I say we go to the right.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're gonna walk back down.
And then have to make up that elevation.
Yeah.
It's already scenic. And hard. It's already hard. I think this is kind of connected to the same waterfall. I don't know. Looks like it. If you go downstream, I just filmed that part. But this is actually really pretty. And we're right beside a cave. So that's kind of cool.
A bluff.
You get a bluff.
A bluff cave.
A bluff. You could get under there if it was raining. And then, of course, in true Table Rock fashion, more six. We're not even at half a mile yet, and all we have done is go up. Whew. All right, we're at the half-mile mark, and I already stink. I can smell my armpits.
Yeah, but that was before we got here.
Yeah.
I'm blaming it on the trail.
So Chris has some math for y'all.
Yeah, so the AT is what, 2,200 miles roughly.
Yeah.
So if we do this section 4,400 times, it'd be the equivalent doing the AT. We're already at one. So
I don't even know
4,399 more times to go.
Right past the half-mile mark, we'll come back up to the intersection where Table Rock goes that way, Carrot Creek goes that way. So like I said, we're going to have to take Carrot Creek to get to Pinnacle Mountain Trail, which is where Bald Knob is at. Look at Fancy Pants over there, tying his shoes. I'm surprised he ain't cleaning his shoes on that rock. Anybody who follows us on all trails, this is why our pace.
Don't be blaming that on me.
You're the reason our pace is in the dump.
Fine. You got a headlamp.
I didn't know he could hear me. He is messing with his shoes again. But we made it to the Pinnacle Mountain Trail intersection. So that is how you get here from Table Rock State Park.
Yeah, so essentially you got Table Rock Trail, it goes like this. Then you got Carrot Creek, which makes a loop trail. And so you can choose to turn off where my thumb is. I'm just gonna bring you up and around right beside the river.
Right there.
Which is a nice trail, there's a boardwalk.
Yeah, it is nice.
And I would actually recommend that as opposed to coming this way, where my fingers are. So we're gonna go off this way.
Yeah, so we're going that way.
So
like
you
he
can take
said.
either one of those paths. My recommendation would be take the river path because the other path has a lot of clay mud, red clay mud. It rained, we got a bunch of rain yesterday, so. But it's still just, red clay. Here, show them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now we're about to hang a right. We're going to go up to Pinnacle. The summit's in the middle of the woods. There's nothing really to see except for trees. And so we always stop at the Bald Knob Overlook. Only 2,199 miles to go to Katahdin.
More good news is I'm starting to smell a little better. He's just starting to stink.
That's subjective. There's many problems with shoes though, you know?
This man is messing with his shoes again. All right, we made it to mile marker 3.5. Another beautiful view. And just to the left of that tree is where you can see downtown Greenville. I bet that is beautiful at night. We made it to Bald Knob!
It's a little chilly.
It's windy up here, but it sure is pretty. It's scary over there. I won't go over there, but Grizz will. Oh gosh, he's crazy. I don't like it. Nope. This tree looks really cool. It has a little nose that you can pet. And we're gonna take a right here. See if we can find these Mill Creek Falls. It's been probably about 15 years since we've done this, which is ridiculous, I know. But yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do. Apparently it's supposed to be like 0.4 miles. Well, there's no waterfall on Mill Creek Pass that we can find. This thing, it just goes up. So I don't know where we found those waterfalls before, but they were definitely called Mill Creek Falls. They were definitely in this park, but not where we're at. This is rough. This is so rough. We made it to the end of Mill Creek Pass. There were no waterfalls, just uphill. I'm not even sure what the point of that was. So I guess we're just gonna head on the Ridge Trail to go back to Pinnacle Mountain. We are on the Ridge Trail right now, and this is how you summit Pinnacle since Helene. So it's not marked, it doesn't say anything. You just have to know to take the Ridge Trail and go up through here. It's on all trails, but yeah, for whatever reason, the old way to the summit is blocked off. So I'm sure it's because of trees down and all that good stuff. We are at the top of Pinnacle Mountain. So this is why they say there's no view from the top. It's true.
Well, right now, maybe there's no leaves, but
Yeah. This is the damage from Helene, followed by the fire. It looks awful.